guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a little surprise for you guys. But first, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I have a special guest. As you know, I have a friend, and one day she came to my house and we played. For the first time, she goed to my house. But today we're having a sleepover at her house. So I'm in her room, as you can see. So yeah, there she is. You can come in. So today we're just gonna film a video with her because she's like really new to my channel. If you don't know her, go to my channel and then you're gonna see her. But first of all, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna tell them a story.
What story? Oh yeah. So if you don't know what Kaskerdag is, Kaskerdag is it's like a
Car.
It's like a little car you're gonna push with somebody in it. Like there's a seat, and then two persons are gonna like push it, and like
It is really fun. It's really fun.
But
we
it's
did it today. It was really fun.
Yeah, and like literally, me, and other girl named Leah, was in a group, and like it was today, and it was really fun. But like
It looks like oh my goodness, I'm gonna be scared. But if you try it, you're like, oh goodness, I can't wait. And then after the day, we
had literally no work. And like if you don't know, it's like a Friday today, and like usually we have work, but not that much work. But we didn't have any today. But like it looks complicated, but when you go in, it's like, but it literally is like
it's
a
like
little
fun. It's fun.
like some
like
almost
a bumper cart. Like a bumper cart.
like almost as big as her room, but just bigger. Like, and then there's like a rope tied. Then it's like where we're gonna push each other.
Like a race car.
Yeah, like bumper carts.
Yeah.
Like it's like bumper carts, but just on grass.
Mm-hmm.
And like
A lot of fun.
and like
And now bumpy. No bumpy.
and like you push. You don't like
Drive.
no. And can you just hold for a second? Like, you know, like we didn't do our self-just. It was like a competition, and our class won 2 times in a row, and we won 3 times in a row actually. Our teacher won, we won, and our class another one.
Two times.
3 times.
2 times we classed win. 1 more time, then our teacher won.
Yeah, and we only played 2 games. And like we won every single round. Like we're in grade 3, but just hold on. I'm not trying to be rude, but like literally, we like raced like with like our other classmates. No, not like our classmates, but like, you know, the other classes in our grade. And me and I matched.
We're like BFFs and crayons.
We were crayons. Nobody looked like us because
Yeah.
her mom printed this on our shirts, and like you might don't understand, but like everyone just wear normal clothes and like just like match every single
Red,
thing,
blue,
like
yellow,
matched
green.
everything. But like us two. We like
Yeah.
match.
We were wearing also colored tutus, and we wear
Rainbow colors.
yeah, and it was very fun.
Yeah, but we just took it off because like it was very irritated with all the like running and everything.
Yeah.
So like can go come good and that they can see your face. Okay, but anyways, what are we gonna do now?
Okay, so we're gonna have a 3 marker challenge.
We will see you guys in the next one. Bye with the 3 marker challenge. Bye.